Hey guys, this is Review Destination and I'm Shitesh, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So after a long time we are doing an interesting unboxing on this channel, so I'm really excited for that. So let's see what's on the box. Some IMEI numbers, and I don't know why a 9 is written on here, the sticker. And here are some basic specs of the phone. And this is the 4000 milliampere battery, which is the highlighting point about this phone. I really like that. And it's a 125 GB variant with 6 GB of RAM. So yeah, and the S Pen is also a highlighting point about this phone. I really wanted the blue version. I was really trying hard for the blue, but I did not get that. I got the black, so I'm a bit disappointed about that. And the price coded on the box is 73,600, but this retails for something around 67,999, so something around 68,000. So let's peel the plastic off over here, and as you can see, S Pen is over here, and this is a Bluetooth enabled S Pen, Bluetooth low energy, so you can use it as a remote for clicking photos and do various things with it. This is typical Samsung packaging as we have seen with the S9, S8, Note 8. So let's break the seal over here also. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 box. So here we have the pin, and I hope we have the cover as we got last year, and yes, we have it this time. Yes, this time it's better. This time it is in silicone, so I really like that fact. Last year it was in hard plastic, which I really hated, because it used to not give any protection to the phone. It was just to protect the back glass, but this is better, really good. I like that. And here we have the phone itself. Let's remove it. Okay, here we have the tab to remove. Okay, so this is the black version. I really wish I had the blue one. I was really trying hard for the blue. From the front it looks the same, which is a quite disappointment, but the screen has increased from 6.2 to 6.3 inches. Here is the camera, and here is the back camera. I really liked the earlier setup of the camera. I'll show you a photo over here. In that, camera and fingerprint sensor was together. That used to look good, and this actually looks a bit cartoony. These two are like eyes, and this is like a mouth, I feel. It's a love it or hate it. I really did not like this, but the fingerprint sensor is at a better position now, so you don't have to stretch your hand that much to reach the fingerprint. So let's keep the phone to the side, and let's see what else we have in the box. Yeah. So we have the OTG cable, sorry, USB connector, and this time I think we don't get this OTG which you used to get over here, the micro USB to USB Type-C converter. Here we have the S Pen tips and the plucker, and here we have fast charging USB Type-C, obviously. Here we have ear buds, and here we have the AKG earphone. So the position has changed, but more or less everything is same. And here we have the fast charger. This also looks the same. So yeah, now let's get to the phone. So as you can see over here, it's the 128 GB variant. The camera is struggling to focus. Yeah, it's the 128 GB variant, and this is the baseline. So that's really good that the baseline version gets 128 GBs. So that's really amazing. Let's boot this phone for the first time. Give me haptic feedback. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Specs for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9: Snapdragon 845 SoC, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, 6.4-inch Infinity display, two 12 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and 4000 milliampere battery. This wraps up the specifications. So we have finally done the setup for this phone, and actually it was really difficult to do the setup because I tend to forget my password always. So I'm not able to restore anything. Probably the contacts must have been, yes, the contacts have been restored. The rest of the things are not restored, but actually I don't need them. So all these contacts are okay. The contacts are just enough for me. I really needed only contacts because I like to do fresh start with every other phone. So the bezel has reduced a bit, and the top bezel is identical. It's the same. And here is the camera, and now I've put the cover on the phone, and actually with cover it looks okay, like because it's a transparent cover, it doesn't hamper the beauty of the phone. But I really wish I had a blue one because I wanted to try something new. With the S8 I went with the black one, with the Note 8 also I went with the black one, so I really wanted to try something new. And plus it had that yellow S Pen which used to look really good, but sad luck we got this black one. Now it's showing me some S Pen remote, so let's see, let's start it. So we have all the normal S Pen features which were earlier, like live message and all. Live message was also really good. Let's go to live message and let's see. Hi. So I think live message has updated a bit the handwriting and the styles, so surely the S Pen has updated. On the Note 8 everything was different, like on the live message and all is now you can write in heart, and you can do various things like flex, snowflakes, glow and all that old stuff. And here we now get the old new live message background also. Earlier you can use photos from the camera and you had solid colors only. So let's see. Okay, it's already made one. It's processing, and actually it has a really good animation to it, so looks really good. Nice. Good night, sweet dreams. So the new one is actually really good. It has enhanced. I really like that. Now you can use this S Pen as a remote also. Here is a button. Earlier also you had this button over here, but that is to not do many things like now this S Pen does. This S Pen can be used as a remote. Let's fire up the camera. You can take a selfie out of this. Yeah, and it has taken the photo. So actually you can take a group photo while using this pen. You can mount it on a tripod and you can just click and take a photo. So that's really good. You can use timer also, but timer is not that convenient because then you have to set the timer, then you have to remove the timer, so it's a lot of work. This is really easy, just to have to remove the pen and click like a remote. So that's amazing. And the camera quality is also really good as with Samsung standards. Let's bring some subject over here. Let's bring this oil bottle. So the sharpness is really good. Here we have live focus, which is the portrait mode, and I feel the portrait mode is improved because on the Note 8 the portrait mode was not that great. I had compared it with the iPhone X, and the iPhone X has won because the Note 8 had a lot of dramas like move far away and this and that, and I'm seeing that all those things are also present on this phone. It's not able to focus on that oil bottle. Yeah, now it has focused, so let's see what is the outcome. and actually like, decent. I have to extensively test how it is, and you have portrait mode, and it'll come with a camera review real soon. You have slow-mo and all the hyperlapse and all the usual stuff. The camera layout has just changed a bit, not too much. Now let's talk about the camera quality of this mobile, and the camera quality actually is really good. I have to extensively check the camera, and I will come with the camera review real soon. The front camera is also really good. We go into settings and see what Android version we have on this phone. Software information. So we get Android Oreo out of the box, so that's really good. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and this is Kshitij signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.